In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a new promo to all your past clients at once using PandaDoc. If you've created a seasonal offer or a special promotion and you want to get it in front of previous clients quickly, this workflow can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of building and sending each message one by one, you can prepare everything once, personalize it automatically, and send it out to your full list in just a few clicks. The first thing you want to do is create your promo document. This could be something like a catering special, a limited time package, or any promotional quote you want to share with returning clients. As you build the document, make sure to include variable fields such as first name. Using a variable like double curly brackets around first name allows PandaDoc to automatically personalize the document for each recipient. That small detail makes the message feel much more direct and professional even though you're sending it in bulk. Once your promo document is ready, the next step is to prepare your client list in a CSV file. This file should include the names and email addresses of your past clients so PandaDoc can match the information correctly during the bulk send process. It's a good idea to quickly review the file before uploading it, just to make sure the formatting is clean and the contact details are accurate. A clean CSV helps avoid errors and keeps the sending process smooth. After that, upload your CSV using the bulk send feature in PandaDoc. This is where the automation really starts to help. PandaDoc will take the information from your spreadsheet and use it to create individual personalized quotes for every person on your list. That means each client receives a version of the promo document that includes their own information, without you having to manually edit anything for each send. This is especially useful when you're reaching out to a larger audience. If you have 50 or more past clients, sending emails one at a time can take hours and can easily become repetitive. With bulk sending, you can accomplish the same task much faster while still keeping the experience personal for each recipient. Before you send, it's always smart to give your template and CSV one final check to make sure everything lines up correctly. Once that's done, you're ready to launch your promo campaign efficiently and at scale. That's how you can use PandaDoc to send a